Mom, I have the hiccups. How do you get rid of them? Sugar? Yo, Joe. Yo, wake up. Joe!
What's up?
Wake up.
Come on.
I have the hiccups. How do I get rid of them?
Drink some water, man.
I did that. I held my breath. I put sugar under my tongue. I don't know what to do.
Did you plug your ears when you did it?
No.
Well,
What does that do?
what does it do? It works.
Alright. Just hold my ears. How do I do this? Yo, that didn't work.
What didn't work?
With my ears and drinking water. Did it sound like it worked?
Please don't get sassy with me. Go do a headstand or something.
A headstand?
A headstand.
Fuck.
I've got my feet in the clouds, got my head on the ground. I know that I'm not a square.
Joe, you need to help me now.
Holy crap, man. This is ridiculous.
Please. Should I call a doctor?
Let's go. Alright, let's go.
Do they have like medicine for this?
Let's go. Move. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You should take this and snort that.
What is that?
It's chili powder. Well, we'll try something else now. You gotta tap more than that. Tap. Slow it down a little bit.
My chest really hurts.
I can imagine that. Are you ready to try something else?
Plans have been great so far, so why not?
It's pretty simple.
Can't that kill me? Did you preheat at 350?
Look, just trust me, alright?
Joe, I'm done. Done with all your stupid ideas. I'm done. I'm not doing that. It's out of the question. I'm done.
I will get you! I will get you!
It's 1:30 in the morning. I've been picking me for like 8 hours. My chest is killing me.
Look, all you need to do is relax. And I think I have a way to do that.
Did it work? Sorry, we tried.
It's alright. You sure this is supposed to work?